Fasting is more than just hunger and thirst. It's a journey of the soul. Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq taught us that Ramadan is the month where we refine not just our bodies, but our hearts and minds. He said, "When you fast, let your ears, eyes, tongue, and entire body fast too. Let there be peace in your heart." Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq would spend his Ramadan immersed in worship, long prayers at night, deep reflection on the Quran, and serving those in need. He reminded us that fasting without kindness and patience is incomplete. Even while fasting, he would feed the poor, visit the sick, and guide his students. So how can we follow his teachings? This Ramadan, let's not just abstain from food, but from negativity. Let's replace complaints with gratitude, arguments with patience, and selfishness with giving. Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq taught us that Ramadan is about transformation. Are you ready to make this month count?